Okay, Brooke. Next activity that we're gonna do, I'd like you to, just like you did for the last one, tell me how you're thinking about the math as we go, okay?
Where are you guys going? Or where are you going right now?
Okay.
Okay.
3 o'clock.
Hold on.
Okay.
I'm at home.
I'm going to show you some cards very quickly. I want you to tell me how many dots you see on the cards. Ready?
4, 3, 2, 5, 6.
How'd you see that 6?
Because I saw 3 and then I saw another thing. I know that you say 6.
Okay. These next cards are a little bit messier. Okay. So you'll have to take a real close look. I want you to tell me how many dots you see still. Okay. And then I'll also ask, how did you see them? Ready?
6.
Okay. Tell me how your fingers helped do
I
that.
counted by 2s. I said 2, 4, and then 6. Because
Okay.
I saw 3 groups of 2s.
Okay. Ready? 9. Okay. Put your hands on the table. Show me what you think you saw.
I think I saw 2, 2, 2, and then a group of 3.
2, 2, 2, and a group of 3. Okay. Ready?
4.
How'd you see that?
Because I saw 2 and then 2.
Okay.
And that equals 4.
Mm-hmm. Ready?
5.
Okay. Last one. What do you think you saw?
10.
10. And how did you see 10?
Because I thought I saw 5 plus 5.
Okay. 2 groups of 5?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to show you some cards very quickly on this next set, and I'm going to ask you a few questions. I'm just going to start with what did you see, but the answers I'm looking for are how many are on one side, how many are on another side, and how many altogether.
Wait, is there like a line between it? No.
Yeah, it kind of looks like a domino.
Okay.
Have you played dominoes before?
Yeah.
Okay, so these look kind of like a domino, and so you're going to tell me how many are on one side, how many on the other, how many altogether. But if you see how many altogether right away, you can tell me that, and I'll ask you whatever questions you need to answer. Okay, ready?
8.
Okay, what did you see? How many were on one side?
5. Wait. 5.
And how many on the other side?
3.
3. Just like that. Ready?
10.
Okay, how many were on one side?
Got 6.
Okay, and how many were on the other?
4.
Okay. Ready?
8.
How many were on one side?
4.
How many on the other side?
4.
Okay. How'd you know that was 8 so quickly?
Because I know 4 plus 4 equals 8.
Okay. Do you know what kind of factor that is?
Double fact.
Yeah, double. Ready?
9.
Okay, and how many did you see on one side?
5.
And how many on the other?
4.
For the next part, we're going to use your fingers. Okay, so show the camera your fingers. Show the camera 3 on your fingers. Like put it up in the air. Oh, okay. Close your hand. Show the camera 2. Close your hand. Show the camera 5. Close your hand. Show the camera 1. Close your hand and show the camera 4. And close your hand. This time we're going to use 2 hands to show the number, just like you did in that first one. So use 2 hands to show me 3.
Wait, can I do it another way?
Yeah. There you go. A 1 and a 2 makes 3. Use 2 hands, show me 2. Okay. Using 2 hands, show me 5. Okay, so what do you have in that hand?
4.
And this one?
1.
Good. Use 2 hands to show me 4. Okay. And close your hands. Show me 6 on your fingers.
Wait, can I do 2 hands or 1? Oh, yeah.
Can you do that with 1 hand? No. Okay. Show me 6 a different way. Okay, so that's, what do you have in your hands?
Wait. I have 4 and 2.
Okay. Show me 9 on your fingers. And close your hands. Show me 10 on your fingers. Close your hands. Show me 8 on your fingers. And close your hands. Show me 8 a different way. What do you have that time?
I have 4 and, wait. 4 and 4.
4 and 4. Okay. How many boxes do you see on this card?
5.
Okay, all of the cards in this set are going to have 5 boxes on them, but
Okay.
some of the boxes are going to have some dots in them.
Okay.
So I'm going to ask you what you see and how many dots you see and how many are empty. Okay? So I'm going to show it to you quickly again though. Ready?
I saw 3 dots and 2 squares without a dot.
Yeah, just like that. Ready?
I saw 2 squares with a dot and 3 without a dot.
Okay. Ready? What'd you see?
5 with a dot, 5 with a dot, and 0 without a dot.
Okay.
1 with a dot and 4 without a dot. 4 with a dot and 1 without a dot.
Nice work. The next set of cards is similar. It has different number of boxes. How many boxes are in this one?
10.
How did you know that?
Because the last time there's 5 and they are all equal, and I know 5 plus 5 equals 10.
Okay, so all of these are going to have 10 boxes on them, and I want you to answer the same questions. How many dots and how many are empty? Okay, ready?
7 have a dot and 3 don't. Wait.
3 don't.
Yeah.
Okay. Ready?
Four have a dot
Okay.
and 6 don't.
All right. Ready for the next one?
6 have a dot and 4 don't. 3 have a dot and 7 3. 3 have a dot and 7 doesn't.
7 doesn't. How did you know that?
Because 3, I saw 3 with the dot and 7 didn't have that.
Okay. How many boxes do you see on this card?
10.
10. Okay, just like the last set, these are all going to have 10 cards on them, but they're going to have different numbers of dots. And so I'm going to ask you what you saw, and I'm looking for how many dots did you see and how many boxes were empty. Okay, you ready?
I saw 6 with dot and 6 with the dot and 4 didn't have that.
Okay, ready?
4 with the dot and 6 did not have dot. Think 4 without a dot and 5 with a dot.
Okay, ready?
3 with a 5 with a dot and 5 without a dot.
Okay. How'd you know there were 5 dots?
5 dots. Because I saw 5. I saw 4 on the top and I think I saw 3 on the top and 2 on the bottom.
Okay, ready?
3 with a dot and 7 without a dot.
Okay. I'm going to say a number, and you say the number that goes with it to make 5. What goes with 4 to make 5?
1.
Just like that. What goes with 2 to make 5?
3.
3. What did you think about for that?
I said 2 and then 2, then 3, 4, 5.
Okay. If you want to use your fingers, just put them up on the table so I can see. What goes with 1 to make 5?
4.
What goes with 3 to make 5?
2.
What goes with 5 to make 5?
0.
What goes with 8 to make 10?
2.
2. And so you had both hands out like this, and then how did that help you figure that out?
I said 10, and then I did, since you said 8, I put it down these 2, so I said 2.
Okay. What goes with 4 to make 10?
6.
What goes with 7 to make 10?
3.
What goes with 5 to make 9?
4.
What did you think about for that one?
I said 5, and then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
What goes with 3 to make 6?
3.
What goes with 3 to make 8? And what, tell me 2 numbers that go together to make 7.
2 and 5.
Okay. Tell me another 2 numbers that go together to make 7.
5 and 2.
And tell me another 2 numbers that go together to make 7.
'Did I already say 4 and 5?
Well, we're making 7.
Oh.
You said 5 and 2 and 2 and 5.
One and 6.
I see it. Good work. You are all set for today.